chicken tenders with mashed potatoes, gravy, and corn. Our list of ingredients today is... Welcome back. Today's meal is going to be a slim down meal, something quick and easy to do. Like always, starch is going to be our biggest time consuming here. I cut the potatoes up small in order to try and get them to cook down a little bit faster. So we're going to get some salted water here for that. Other pan back here is for our corn, and this is going to be for our chicken. Since we're going to be making a gravy or get a bit of water in there for our chicken, which I forgot to grab. And I'm not going to put this on right away because it is going to take it's not going to take as long as for this as it will for potatoes. So potatoes I'm going to scoop in. Potatoes are on high. Corn is off. The skillet for chicken is off. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in here, get them seasoned. The only season I'm going to use is salt and pepper. I'm not going to do anything else with it. Nothing fancy, nothing too outrageous. And keep it simple today. There's no reason to get it all out all the time. And I'm gonna rest this over here since I got the raw meat on it. I got a problem with this spout on this salt. Doesn't want to stay open all the time. That's plenty for now. We'll get a little bit of pepper on there as well. Probably start out with too much water. A little too late now. As I mentioned, I'm not going to turn this on yet. I'm going to let the potatoes heat up and get going. Okay, as you've seen, our potatoes came up to a boil. I almost made a huge mess there. Just see I dropped one. Just made a huge mess. I almost made a huge mess there. It started boiling over a little, and I was able to catch it in time. But there, it's definitely still hard as can be. I think I'm going to go ahead and start the chicken. I'm going to put it more of on a medium to begin with. If I have to turn this down, the potatoes down, and turn the chicken up, I will do it to try to get everything done about the same time. Corn, I'm not going to worry about it yet. It only takes a couple minutes for that. And we'll continue watching and monitoring. Okay, right now it's still just waiting game. Potatoes are softening up a little bit. I went ahead and kicked the heat up on the chicken. I need to get it going just in case this finishes faster than I think it will. The corn, I'm going to go ahead and turn on. I'll let it come up to close to a boil. Okay, as you may have seen, I did flip the chicken once and check the potatoes. Potatoes may take a little longer than I thought it was going to. Corn is starting to boil along the edges. It's not really sticking yet, which is great. But I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And just let that keep warm under its own heat. Okay, potatoes are actually, they're getting there. Still sticking on this fork. I'd like just to be able to fall off. So we're getting close. Okay, the starch itself, I always start off in its own bowl, use cold water. And if you're like me, you're always going to make more than you need because you refuse to measure it. Let me get some cold water in this and get it mixed. And I'm just going to mix this up to get dissolved. Cold water will break it down. Hot water will make it clump up immediately. So please don't throw it in the hot skillet. You can get it to work out, but it'll be a bit of a pain. I've done it a few times before I learned my lesson. Now I'm going to set this over here out of the way. I'm going to come back here, check the corn. I got a little bit of stick in there. That's all right. It's not on anything. And we got potatoes. I give a few more seconds on potatoes. Potatoes I'm going to turn off. I'm going to drain. I'll be right back. Okay. That fork. And get me. Alright, I'm going to actually start attempting to do this with the spoon. This slotted spoon here. I know when I do the fork, it takes forever. This is actually much quicker by the looks of it. I like how this is working. I think I just found my new way of smashing up potatoes. So this here is done. I'm going to set that aside. I'll put it back over here. That's coming up to starting to want to boil again. I will take that off and check it. Yeah, that should be real good there. Potatoes are good. Oh, thought I seen something, but it wasn't. So potatoes are good. Corn's good. Chicken's done. I'm going to kick this chicken back up on high. The hotter that water is, the quicker this stuff thickens up. I'm just going to drizzle a little bit around the edges to start with, a little bit in the middle. And now I'm going to have a mess over here to clean up. That's fine. Get my chicken fork here. Let's get this stuff moving around. It clumps up like this, it'll break down. I just let it sit a little too long before I start stirring it. But it will break down real easily. As you can see, that's all gone. And this here, you know what? I am going to use my starch spoon. Let me give it a quick rinse. You know what? I'm going to leave it just like that. Thickened up a good bit. But the chicken itself, as you see, is nice and coated. Well, maybe I need to try to find another way of showing you. I'll just pick up the whole pan. How's that sound? So as you see, the chicken's got a nice glaze on it. It's sticking to it. That's what I wanted. I'll just take one of these, set it off on the plate. Take a little bit of potatoes here. Put it down. Spread out a little bit, because I'm going to put a little bit of gravy on that. I know my son won't like it. That's okay. He'll get over it. I know he actually likes to. He likes his starches. So the potato itself, he'd rather have plain. Same with his breads and everything else, and noodles. And it's hard to get him to eat stuff that you put onto anything like that. And I'm going to switch bowls here. You know what? I'm going to save that one. Bring this over here. I'll put that there. Whoa, I almost lost it. That would have been hilarious. For you guys, not for me. Okay, and as you see, here's what we've got. In fact, I'm going to take a little bit of this, put it directly on top of there. Here's our final product. We got the cream corn, we got the potatoes mashed with some gravy on it, and we got our chicken. I hope you like it. Give it a try. It's a quick, easy meal. Let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.